Creating a scrolling text in CapCut. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a scrolling text in. Suppose I have this footage and now I want to add a scrolling text. So how I'm going to do this? So for that I'm just going to not add a text and add however the text that I want to add. Suppose I want to add a text or hello, I'm just gonna add randomly, but in your case you have to be at your tax, so I'm just going to take it now. Here you have to do one thing is here you have to know adjust. The first of all you have to adjust the rotation lens. So for suppose I want to rotate it for 2 times, I'm just going to take it to the half of the video. So after taking it to the half of the video, I'm just going to add 2 effects into it. So I'm just going to tap on the text and I'm going to tap on this animation now. In the animation you have to go to the in animation first, and after that you have to go to the out animation afterwards. So in the in animation I'm just going to slide and I'm just going to add the effect of slide right, just because I wanted to roll into the right. Now as you can see, both of the effects it have added the one sliding effect, but I want to happen this 2 time in this video. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to duplicate, create a copy of it. So I'm just going to tap on the text and then I'm going to create a copy, and after creating the copy I will easily be able to adjust it in the end, and now I will have a rolling text in 2 times in one video. So as you can see it is rolling first time, and then as you can see it is rolling second time. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this would I helpful.